Addressing journalists, the president of Edo State Drivers Welfare Scheme, Comrade Nosa Odigye, and the vice president, Comrade Adeya Ukpoma, said some group of persons are still parading themselves as members of Edo State Drivers Welfare Scheme. Comrade Nosa Odigye alleged that the persons were at a political rally on Monday under the guise of Edo State Drivers Welfare Scheme. The president and vice president, who said the scheme has since been stopped from operations by the state government, denied involvement in the rally. Comrade Odigye and Ukpoma, in their separate speech, however, pledged their loyalty and continued support to Edo State government under the leadership of Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole.
People that were parading themselves in PDP rally yesterday, they are not members of Drivers Welfare. We are still a member of APC, and we are still supporting Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshomole because he's the person that gives the drivers light.
Those people that saw in that PDP rally yesterday, they are not a member of Drivers. We want to use this opportunity to appeal to the Comrade Governor that teeth and tongue, their only quarrel is our father. Those State Drivers Welfare is fully behind him. And we want to use the opportunity to warn and also appeal to those who is trying to impersonate in the name of Edo State Drivers Welfare.
Edo State Drivers Welfare Scheme was recently stopped from operations by the state governments. Roslyn Eworame reporting.